We have the new Keeper mortar system using the original 18 round and using the new large gas. Original tube, 3 golf balls. We saw this before. Actually got good distance on there. It's about 65 feet. New cutoff, gas filled, with my new rockets. Oh, gotta take the original one out. New rockets. About 100 feet on that one. Okay, we've got the new Keeper rocket shell. New Keeper rocker blank, don't have it painted yet. Grenade loaded. My new rocket type. They're going to hell real quick. Load. Tap them in. Fire. That hit the fence back there. It's 165 feet, and the wind's blowing. I bet I could reach 200 feet if I shot and had a good load. New Keeper rocket mortar system. Firing straight on, lower angle. Not a lot of gas in that one. I did one change to the rocket. I actually filled the end in, so it's not a hollow tube anymore. I've got a small piece of styrofoam glued in place. This is actually the mark for the rocket. Shell is loaded. Put it in, and you put it to the mark and fire. Roughly 100 feet. Got a double fire on that one, but we got 100 feet on that. If you don't put it too quite to the line, a little bit below the line, you could get about 125, 135 feet on it. I'm very pleased with the $2 rockets that I bought for a pack of 2.